Edo State Special Security Squad Operation Flush Out Kidnappers and Cultism don yarn say dem go soon carry their operations go other parts of the state to fight insecurity well. One of the executive members of the squad, Comrade Ameoleme Noah Idemudia, yarned this one for one to-talk meeting with Tori people wey shele for Benin City. E come talk say since the squad start work, kidnapping and cultism don reduce for Benin and surrounding areas. Idemudia contact Governor Monday Okpebholo and Edo people for the support wey help make the work dey successful. Say if not be the people, dem for not reach where dem dey so. Say the way dem support show say everybody don tire for the wahala. E come beg Edo people say make dem still dey at alert and report any waka wey no clear. Say na together dem go win this fight.
So far so good. From the day that this committee was set up, we have been able to comb around Benin City, the environs of Benin, especially for the now, where we have heavy fights of court-related activities, killings that we've all been hearing here and there. Although we'll still extend our mission to Edo Central and Edo North because we already have that mapped out. In the previous days that we started, I believe Edo must have seen that there's changes in this whole situation. There has been a bit of silence in the killings, not like the everyday story that you hear, this one has been killed here, this has been killed here. So for that reason, we jointly say thanks to the Executive Governor of Edo State for setting up this committee and giving us the privilege and mandate to join him in combating this criminal act. And we thank the people of Edo State too for cooperating with us. Because sincerely, without their assistance too, we won't be able to get to where we are at the moment. They've really helped. So that shows that everybody, every citizen of Edo State, I would say we were all tired of this situation. And I still beg the general public to please don't hide crimes. Wherever you see something, like I said in the initial, please say something. Let it know. Because together we would succeed in this battle.
The squad they plan to extend their work enter Edo Central and Edo North, and them don't already get plans for how things go take happen. Idemudia concluded the air say the work not get anything to do with politics or any personal gain. It come also one cultist and kidnapping say Edo not safe for their kind of business again. I come still beg those who want change, make them come out peacefully, say them not go face disgrace. Oga Idemudia constantly explain say the squad not they do police work or collect money from anybody. Say once them arrest person, them they hand over the matter straight to police to continue the investigation. It come also chook mouth for one case where people accuse squad members of money wahala, but later them find out say the people where them accuse not even be members of the squad.
For today, we did a profiling exercise of our members that cuts across the three senatorial districts, Edo South, Edo Central, and Edo North. Although not every one of them that is present here, these are the major principal officers in the committee that are seated here, while other members are in their senatorial districts. We deemed it fit to address the press so as to pass the message across too, that this committee is not for political gains or any other, like some persons are trying to insinuate. This committee was set up by the governor, like you all know, without any benefit of that, to combat the high rate of insecurity in Edo State. The ones that you have seen so far, the raids here and there that we've carried out, shows that the state governor is not taking it for fun anymore. That is really serious in combating this crime. So I would advise everyone that is involved in this activity, if you are a cultist and you feel like you're tired of what's happening around you, come out peacefully and renounce. You would not be embarrassed. We will usher you into the society. But if you still say that you're not tired of your cultist activity, kidnapping inclusive, then I warn that Edo State is no longer a safe home for you. It is better you run or disappear from Edo, so there's no secret place for criminals anymore. We will expose you and hand you over to the police that would take over the duty. And to quickly, kind of counter that aspect of critiques or propagandas here and there, that no, I defend every member of this committee. We are not authorized to do any financial activity. So it's like a manpower. We support the police. If we apprehend anybody, we don't have right to investigate or do interrogations. We simply hand the persons over to the police. So when we had a case when somebody said we stopped him at Lucky Way, we took 200,000 from him, trying to bring some excuses here. But unfortunately, at the end of the day, I believe the press must have seen that he that himself that wrote against us has already apologized on the same page that he wrote about us, that it was a mistake, it was a mistaken identity. The day he accused, we never went there. So we are using this medium to tell the general public too. It's not everything that you hear about us or that you will hear about us that will be true. You investigate first before you start to criticize. We are not saints, and we are not trying to demonstrate that we are saints. But before we chose to do this job, we already decided 90%. I think 90% is above pass mark. That's excellent, right? We are not really the financial hungry type, or how would I put it? But the governor knows the reason why brought us into this group, so as to help in combating crime. I will once again thank the Edo State Governor, His Excellency Senator Monday Okpebholo, to please not relent in his effort. He shouldn't give up this fight, and we have vowed to stand with him in combating it.
On Monday, July 21st, the squad do profiling exercise for their members across the 3 senatorial districts wey be Edo South, Central and North. As dem plan to spread their operations go other parts of Edo, many eyes go dey watch to see whether dem fit truly make lasting change. Wetin go matter pass na transparency, respect for people's rights and results wey everybody fit see. Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. Kata Ojisoli, TMC News.